Hey guys, Tomatho here with another geometry problem. The 3 angles and 3 squares puzzle. Can you solve it? There are 3 identical squares adjacent to each other. Then, the 3 line segments drawn from left bottom vertex of each square to the top right vertex of the rightmost square. And suppose the 3 angles formed are A, B, and C respectively. What is the value of A plus B plus C in degrees? As usual, here are some hints, and this will be the first method that we will present for this question. So the hints, first, what is the value of C? That is the most straightforward one. Can you get it? And for angles A and B, instead of finding them separately, can you find A plus B directly? Next, try to draw a reflection of the 3 squares on the top. See if that helps. And try to form another 2 right-angled triangles as follows. Do you notice anything on the diagram that can help? So yeah, let's jump to the solution. So how to solve such question with only this information? Well, clearly the most straightforward one to obtain is the value of C, as C is formed by the diagonal of a square. So C equals to 45 degrees. How about A and B? Before we continue, let us label some of the vertices as follows and draw the segment EF. Since it is a reflection, the angle EFC equals to angle EGB, which equals to B. Next, draw segment AF as well. Take a close look to the 2 triangles here, triangle ADF and triangle FCE. Well, actually, you can notice that both of these triangles have the exact same dimensions, where the length is CE equals DF, CF equals DA, and AF equals FE. Thus, these 2 triangles are congruent. And we know that congruent triangles share the same angles as well. So we can infer that angle EFC equals angle FAD equals to angle B. Recall that sum of all angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees, right? So we can write CEF equals to angle AFD equals to 180 minus 90 minus B equals to 90 minus B. Let's see. Remember, we are trying to find value of A plus B. Well, as you can see, observe angle DAB. Actually, we can write DAB as follows, right? And since DAB itself is a right-angled triangle, we can write as B plus angle FAE plus A equals to 90 degrees. So A plus B equals to 90 minus FAE. Wow, see? We are very close to get the value of A plus B. We do not know the degree of FAE yet. How can we find out then? Well, let us look at the triangle AFE. AFE is actually an isosceles triangle since the length of AF and FE are the same. AFE, DFA, and CFE are supplementary angles, where these angles forms a straight line. So we have this equation as follows. DFA plus AFE plus CFE equals 180. And plugging in the values that we get, we have 90 minus B plus AFE plus B equals to 180. Thus, AFE is equals to 90 degrees. Now, since the triangle AFE is an isosceles triangle, and we know that sum of all angles in the triangle is 180, we can write it as follows. And since FEA equals to FAE, we have 2 times FAE plus 90 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Thus, this gives angle FAE equals to 45 degrees. And we know that from the last equation on A plus B, it is equals to 90 minus FAE, right? So, A plus B equals to 90 minus 45, which gives 45 degrees. Thus, we know A plus B equals to 45. And going back to the original question, so A plus B plus C equals to 45 degree plus 45 degrees equals to 90 degrees. So finally, we get our final answer, 90 degrees. Do you manage to get the answer? Or can you actually guess that it's 90 degrees? Let me know in the comment section below. This is one of the methods to solve this problem. There is actually another method to solve the problem. However, the other solution requires some concepts that is only learned in high school. So if you are curious, do look at my next video as I will show you the other solution. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more interesting math video.